Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're someone who works long hours on a laptop, does multitasking, editing, trading, or even casual gaming, then this video is for you. I bought the Samsung Ultrawide monitor from Amazon using the link in the description, and in this video I'll share my real experience after using it daily. This is the Samsung Viewfinity S65UA 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor. From the moment you turn it on, the first thing you'll notice is how wide and immersive the screen feels. It literally changes the way you work or watch content. Once you use an ultra-wide like this, going back to a normal monitor feels impossible. The picture quality is honestly the strongest point here. Colors look very rich and natural, especially while watching YouTube, Netflix, or working on photos and videos. Whites look clean, blacks are deep, and overall the screen feels premium. HDR content looks noticeably better, and the curved design makes everything feel more comfortable on the eyes, especially during long sessions. Text clarity is also excellent. Whether I'm reading PDFs, writing, or browsing, everything looks sharp and easy to read. There's no strain even after hours of use. This monitor is a multitasking beast. I can easily open 2 or even 3 windows side by side, like Chrome, Excel, and YouTube, without feeling cramped. For work-from-home users, coders, editors, traders, or students, this screen seriously boosts productivity. The height-adjustable stand is very useful. You can set the screen exactly at eye level, which makes a big difference for posture and comfort. For casual gaming, the experience is very smooth. The screen feels responsive, motion looks clean, and the wide field of view makes games more immersive. It's not a hardcore esports monitor, but for story games, racing, and even GTA-style games, it feels amazing.